Hey guys, so today I'm back with a chalk bomb. Well, okay. Anyway, so it's really cool. I've done it, so yeah. So let's get heading outside. Okay, so right now I am in my driveway. I'm about to do the chalk bomb. It might not work. It's a little wet. So we're just going to do it. We're right here. So let's see how this works. Yeah. I'm just gonna open it. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the package. Has a little string on it. It's really, really squishy. It's chalk inside, so let's get started to see what it looks like. 1, 2, 3. I made a mark. Okay, made a mark right there. So let's keep on doing it. So last time I did it, mine broke open, and yeah, it broke open. So I'm hoping this time it will break open so I can show you what it looks like inside. It looks actually really cool. Okay, good. Okay, so usually you have to throw it at each other and it kind of like gets on you, so hang on. Okay, so I threw it at myself one time, then I turned into a human Abby from Sesame Street. Usually, probably gonna turn into a human Cookie Monster this time. I love Cookie Monster. I don't watch Sesame Street. So right now I'm just making a bunch of marks on my driveway. It costs you can just go to Target, or you can just go to Target and get them. They cost like $1 or $2. Maybe if you get like yeah. I'm gonna see how far I can throw it. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it made a mark. Okay. It did not make a mark anywhere. Okay, it's getting really, really dirty. Let's see the mark. Oh, you can see the. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's keep on making the mark. Right now it's downwards, so it's gonna like fall. Okay. So what? Okay, so hang on. So I loosened it a little bit so it would open to see. So what I did to throw it someday. Okay, yeah. I am in my pajamas right now. Outside in my pajamas. So what I did yesterday is I threw it really hard in the ground. So it's in a really weird thing right now. It does not look like a bomb at all. It's flat, and then power it back up. Right now, it's obviously not going to pop open, but we're gonna keep on trying. So hang on. Okay, so I loosened it again. See if it'll work this time. I have to take the string out. I also loosen the string a little. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. It's like Santa's bag. No, it went away. Okay, I'm not going to cut it this. Hang on. So, how I loosen this is I kind of like. So there's this thing on there, guys. Do you see that white thing? Hang on. Okay, it's clear, so you might not be able to see. But okay, so you see that white thing? I pull on it, so it bust opened. So what I did yesterday to make it pop open is I threw it on the ground really, really hard. So maybe that will work. Hang on. Alrighty, well, now I loosened it, like, by a lot. So, it took me about 5 minutes to do. It took a really long time, so. Let's keep on throwing. Oh, man. Well, the string's about to come out, so. That's good to know. The string's about to come out. All the chalk is about to come out, and I really want to take it inside. So the string is about to come out. Oh, it busted open! Woohoo! Finally. Alrighty, well. That was a great idea, me, to loosen it. Okay. Inside, there's a bunch of chalk. It's really fun. It feels like powder, like, feels like flour and everything, so. Now we are going to sprinkle it out of the thing. Whoa, guys, it's like flour. You can use it as chalk. Chalk flour. Oh my god, guys. It's chalk. My hands are messy. Messier than ever. This is really cool. I love doing this. I'm probably going to go buy some more at Target. You guys should definitely try the chalk bombs. They are super duper fun. Fun to play with, fun to open. So during the summer, this would be a nice game for you and your friends to do. Like, throw it at each other. Like, you can do a water gun fight, whatever you want to do. So, that's how tight it was on there. Like, the little plastic thing, that's how tight it was on this humongous thing. So, I'm going to just spread the chalk around. I have to change my pants. Guys, look what I have done to my pants. So now, oh my god, my fingernail. So now what I'm going to do is I'm like, spread it around, and it's pretty hard. Like, I don't think you're supposed to bust them open, but you'll see in my plan how I do that. So, you've probably seen that Nick Jonas video. It's like a little taco. I might keep this. So, let's see what it looks like from this video. So, oh yeah, different shape. That's what it looks like. It's really, really shiny. The shock on my tablet. Hope you guys liked this video. See you guys later. Bye-bye.